Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and join the Grow a Garden Discord server for Roblox. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Discord application, or you could also go ahead and do this on your website or browser. Simply go ahead into discord.com, and then you're going to be taken to this page where you want to simply go ahead and log in into your account, or in the application as well, simply log in. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead down here and click on this Discover tab right over here on the left-hand side menu. And then on the top right, there's going to be this search bar. Simply go ahead and click on that and search for Grow a Garden. Once you've done that, as you can see, the first one is the one you are looking for. Simply go ahead and click on this one, and then you can simply go ahead and click on Join Grow a Garden, and you will be joined. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.